Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm going to show you how to make the purple yam ripple cheesecake. If you cannot find any purple yam powder in the Asian grocery store, you may also use blueberries instead. I'm pretty sure that you will love this recipe. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. So let's start baking. And for our ingredients, we need 200 grams of graham crackers. You may also use digestive biscuits or ginger snaps, 80 grams melted butter, 600 grams of cream cheese, 165 grams of sour cream, 165 grams of mascarpone. If you do not have mascarpone, just add in extra sour cream, 3 large eggs, and 180 grams of sugar. And for our purple yam mixture, we need 100 grams of purple yam powder, 1/4 teaspoon of purple yam flavoring, half cup of double cream, half cup of condensed milk, and 1 cup fresh milk divided into 2. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Make a tightly sealed foil wrap around the springform pan. I'm using 27 centimeters pan. The reason why we're doing this is because we need to bake the cheesecake on a water bath. Once done, set it aside. I normally use food processor in making my cheesecake crumbs, but today I'm going to show you how to make it by using rolling pin and the back of the spoon. First, put the graham crackers in a Ziploc and pound it until finely crushed. If you do not have graham crackers, you may also use digestive biscuits or ginger snaps. Transfer the crumbs into a bowl and pour the melted butter over it. Mix it until well combined. Pour the crumbs into the pan lined with baking paper and press lightly until firm. Pop it into the fridge. To make the purple yam mixture, heat the condensed milk and half of the fresh milk in a small pot. Add the purple yam powder and stir continuously until the purple yam thickens. Pour the double cream into the mixture and continue stirring. You may also use coconut cream instead of double cream. Remove from the heat and let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes before pulsing into the food processor. Pulsing the mixture into the food processor will help remove any lumps. Add the remaining fresh milk until the mixture turns thinner and smooth. Transfer the mixture into a measuring bowl or cup. Add the purple yam flavoring into the mixture. Stir well until combined and set aside. And for cream cheese batter, pour the cream cheese, mascarpone, sour cream, sugar, and eggs into the food processor. Pulse it until well combined. Give it a quick stir and continue pulsing until smooth and well combined. Do not overmix your batter. And for our water bath, simply pour hot water into the baking pan at about 1 inch. Meanwhile, pour the cheesecake batter into the crust evenly. Pour the purple yam mixture on top and using the spatula, gently swirl. Tap it on the table 3 times to remove the bubbles. Place it in the hot water bath and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Turn off the oven and slightly open the door and let the cheesecake sit in the oven for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven to completely cool down. And there you have it, your purple yam ripple cheesecake is ready. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and see you next time. Bye bye!